If space is a premium and you need to add a touch of class to your home or commercial sauna, the Harvia Cilindro may be the heater for you. Welcome back to the Sauna Place, where we bring you the latest and greatest in saunas, steam, and cold plunges. Today we're unboxing something truly special, the Harvia Cilindro sauna heater. This powerhouse is designed for home sauna spaces as it comes in a 6, 8, 9, and 10.5 kilowatt model. Let's dive in and see what's going on inside. Normally when we do an unboxing video, we want to take the heater out of the box and show you everything, and there's really not much in this one to pull out. You have your heater, you have your top grate, and you have your base plate. Very simple, all well secured inside the box. As we discussed, everything in here is well secured. There's plenty of foam padding to protect the heater during shipping, which is great to see for a product of this size and weight. Of course, the instruction manual and warranty card will all be inside the box. Now for the star of the show, the Harvia Cilindro heater itself. The tall cylindrical structure is all about maximizing the heat and steam experience. The stainless steel outer casing looks sleek and modern, perfect for any sauna setup. Also included with your Cilindro purchase, not shown here, is going to be the sauna stones. We will include the correct number you need to ensure an even steam and heat distribution for your sauna. The Harvia Cilindro sauna heater combines style, efficiency, and durability. Everything you expect from a brand like Harvia. If you're looking to elevate your sauna experience, this is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. In the meantime, if you have any questions or want to learn more, give us a call at 931-516-6577 or visit saunaplace.com.